Guys, welcome back to another episode of Schofield Welding. Got Cave here with me. Don't forget to go check out his channel, Cave Clark Sparks Welding. It's actually been a pretty awesome channel. It's growing fast. Welding bed builds, good advice, like killer channel. So you're in the middle of the bed build right now. The bed is downstairs. It's looking good. Got broke sides, matched broke sides. Like if you guys want to see a bed build, go check out his channel. It's gonna be a good one. One of the things that I'm terrible about doing is saying no. Like, I don't know what it is. Like, I don't even know the person and I can't say no. You, on the other hand, that's all you say.
Is no. Yeah. If I don't want to do it, then I just don't do it.
Yeah.
I don't. I mean, if it's something that's gonna help me be better, then I'll say yes, even if it sucks. But if it's something I don't have to do and don't want to do, hard no.
Hard no. See, I wish I was better about doing stuff like that because, like, I'll get phone calls and I know the job ain't gonna pay. Like, how do you say it? Like, some jobs pay and some jobs, like, just flatline, right? There's no money to be made in it, but I'll do it to be, like, a nice guy, right? It's terrible. It's terrible business.
As far as work goes, I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, but it's probably a little uncomfortable to turn down a job when you might not have something coming up. It's all rooted in self-confidence, your ability to say no. I mean, a lot of the times, Jake was telling you that I don't have a hard time saying no, and I say no a lot. And I think that's just because I've never had to be in a situation like that with the jobs where there might not be opportunity here if I say no. And that's why you probably say yes to a lot of things that you don't necessarily want to do, is because you don't want to close the door to opportunity.
Saying no sucks. Can't do it. It's hard.
Well, it is. I mean, it's hard you don't want to disappoint these people and shoot yourself in the foot for a future opportunity. Like I said, at the end of the day, it kind of comes down to you got to look out for number one a little bit yourself. Be focused on your purpose and your mission, and if it doesn't align with your purpose, then don't do it. Because there's no point in doing something that's going to sidetrack you from what it is that you want to achieve.
Yeah. I think the other thing that kind of stems from that too is now that we have other guys relying on us, it's like, yeah, sometimes busy work is good work, you know? To be able to keep a crew of guys going, even if you don't make any money on it, as long as it's providing for them, sometimes that's better than, you never want to go down. You don't want to be negative, ever. Like, you just don't ever take a job that'll do that. But if you're just flatlining, then you're taking care of the guys that are with you. It's taking care of their families, and you're just zeroing out, which is fine sometimes.
So when is it a good time to say yes then, or to take those opportunities?
I say yes all the time. Scary, like big opportunities, like scary things. Like when I sign up to do things, I already know I'm already putting myself in a pretty major bind, and I just say yes. I don't know why. Because I want to grow. I want to make money.
Well, those problems are good problems, really.
Yeah, for real.
I think if you have a full plate, that's a good problem. It comes down to
yes or no.
Yes or no, really. It's pretty cut and dry, and I think the biggest thing you got to watch out for when you're saying yes and no is, does this align with my purpose and my vision of what I want to achieve, or does it not? And it's that simple. We go with your gut. If your gut says, don't go to a certain job, don't go. Even if it means that you're not going to make any money, and that might be bad advice, but I mean, for example, I went to Washington last spring, and the whole way there, my gut was telling me, don't go do this job. Didn't listen to my gut feeling. Drove there, got there, was there for a day, and had all my tools stolen out of the back of my truck. Everything gone. And so then I had to spend everything that I had in my savings to replace it. And then I worked for I went home for Memorial Day weekend because they weren't working. And then came back, was there for 2 days, and then drug up.
Total like 3 days.
Yeah, so I mean, I was only there working for 3-4 days, but that was just, all I did was lose money on that job. It was just a complete waste of time and a complete waste of resources. So, and I burned the bridge with that contact, which, I mean, whatever, but, you know, that's something that, there's a lot of negatives that came from saying yes to that.
Yeah. Anyways, guys, go check out Cape's YouTube channel. And yeah, anyways, love you all. Glad you're all here. And we'll see you on the next channel. Be blessed. See ya.